In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to use pages in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to find your pages, create new ones, and link between them with a clean, clickable hyperlink so your files stay organized and easy to navigate. Start by opening Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app, and load the file you want to work on. On the left side of the interface, look for the sidebar. At the top of that sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Pages. This is where every page in your file lives. Think of pages as big containers for your work, great for separating exploration, design, prototypes, and handoff, while the Layers panel beneath it holds the frames and objects within the currently selected page. If your list of pages isn't visible, click the Pages label to expand or collapse it. Expanding gives you a full view of everything in your file, while collapsing helps keep your workspace tidy when you need more room to focus. To create a new page, click the small plus icon next to the Pages label. A new page will appear in the list. Give it a clear name right away so teammates instantly know what's inside. Descriptive names like wireframes, visual design, or assets can save a lot of time later. Now let's connect pages using a hyperlink. This is useful when you want text in one page to jump to another page in the file, like a table of contents or a quick back to overview link. In the pages list, find the destination page you want to link to. Right-click on that page, then choose Copy Link to Page. Figma will copy a special URL to your clipboard that points directly to that page. Go to the place where you want to insert the link, open the page and the frame that contains the text you want to make clickable, then select the text itself. With the text selected, look over to the right-hand Properties panel and click the chain link icon to add a hyperlink. Paste the URL you copied into the field that appears. After pasting, confirm to apply the link. You'll now see an inline link indicator. Hover over or click the linked text, and you should see a prompt like Go to page 2. Click it to jump straight to that page and confirm everything is working. This makes navigating large files much faster for you and anyone you share the file with. Keep your pages tidy and clearly labeled, and use links sparingly but purposefully to guide viewers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.